subject of your study is petshai. Okay. So before you printed your petshai, pila ka leaves ang naanila percent?
4 or 3 years.
3 sa pila ka set up na inyong experiment din?
4 row po siya. Sa kada row na 3 kapats.
Unya, pila ka sa leaves man ang iyong i-ani? How many leaves each petshai plant sa treatment 1, 2, and 3? Uniform ba sila o lain-lain? Uniform. Kung uniform, so you can answer me.